Hello guys, today we're going out. I'm gonna take you guys with me. Let's swing first. Let's go! Mamila is the one who gave me money because I have high grades. We're now at McDonald's. Done. We're here at Yogo and I am looking for a toy. Finally, I picked a toy. It's a big Lego. It's a robot with a gun. Thank you, Mamila.